TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine has become a cornerstone in industries like oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, food processing, nuclear energy, chemical production, and aerospace engineering. Let's highlight its essential role in high-pressure pipeline systems. High-pressure pipelines, especially in oil and gas operations, demand absolute precision to withstand extreme conditions. The TATE machine delivers consistent, high-quality welds, ensuring that pipelines remain durable and leak-free. Its automated orbital technology reduces human error and enhances productivity, making it ideal for large-scale pipeline projects. Additionally, the machine handles a variety of materials, including carbon steel, stainless steel, and specialized alloys, ensuring compatibility with diverse project requirements. With its reliability and efficiency, the TATE machine significantly reduces downtime while maintaining safety and operational standards. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering OEM and ODM solutions to meet your specific needs. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact us at info@oktate.com for more information.